Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's coming up for you, what are the messages for you for the coming half of the month or the year end, you can say. So let's see what are the messages for Aries. So we have the 10 of Swords, the 6 of Pentacles, the King of Cups, the 2 of Swords, Five of Cups, the 10 of Wands, 3 of Wands, the Devil, and the Hierophant. So Aries, what I feel here is with the 10 of Swords, 6 of Pentacles and the King of Cups, you are coming out of a situation. Okay, you are done with the dealing with the situation which was perhaps troubling you or had knocked you down. Okay, so you are feeling the need to liberate and you are actually moving out of the situation. A cycle is ending and a new beginning is starting, and while doing that, in that process or in that transition, you are balancing your life. You are trying to restore the balance of your life after coming out of a situation which really knocked you down. Okay, and you are taking control of your life, I should say, or your emotions or whatever it is. So you're getting back in control. Okay, in your life, maintaining the stability or realigning yourself, realignment of your emotions, mind and heart after coming out of a cycle which had left you sort of shattered or backstabbed or cheated, whatever you call it. It was a very bad energy, but whatever it was, you are done with it and you are coming out of it and trying to restore balance in life. Then we have the 2 of Swords, the 5 of Cups and the 10 of Wands. Here what I feel is that though it is still seems to be the same energy, you are trying to take some sort of a decision now. Since you are trying to come out of the energy of that, of the past, now you are trying to take certain decisions so that you are able to move forward in life. But the situations are such that it's really tough for you to take some decision. Whatever decision in whatever area of your life you're wanting to take, you're not able to take those decisions. You feel you are at crossroads, you are not able to make up your mind, you are not able to uh, handle the situation. There are n number of things which are still going on, and you feel they are because of the fact that you're still upset in this situation, that you're not able to move forward. Either you are still stuck in the situation again and again. It can be that also. It can be that in spite of you coming out of the situation, there is a certain aspect here which is still troubling you, which is still bothering you, and you want to come out of it, but still it is taking a toll on you. It's still taking a toll on you. But with the 10 of Wands being here, I feel slowly and steadily you will come out of this situation. You will come out of this situation. You will unburden yourself from whatever is actually weighing you down. Okay, and here then we have 3 of Wands, the Devil and the Hierophant. So what I feel here is that there is a strong need to leave something behind actually. With the 3 of Wands here, after you are done with this 10 of Wands energy, that you are sort of coming out and releasing something and really packing your bags up and releasing those responsibilities. Okay, I do not want to do this, I can't do this, I can't do it anymore. Once you are able to release this, I see you feel unburdened. And now with the 3 of Wands, you are ready to explore new horizons. You are ready to look forward to the new opportunities or the new circumstances or the new situations in your life where you feel your passion lies, where your interest lies. So what I feel here is this is the path in which you are taking. It is a major release of certain things in your life. Now these situations can be emotional, they can be in the physical world also, but there is a situation here that no matter how hard you are trying to balance the situation in your life, you are not able to manage it. And you finally decide to let it go. Okay, and once you decide to pack your bags and let it go, you find yourself lightened. You find that okay, I'll take whatever I need and I'll move forward in my life, exploring my dreams and my visions and my life wherever you feel is right for you. And what you are looking for is stability, commitment. Maybe you have that insight and you have the clarity, okay, this is what I want. But with the devil being there, there is something which is still holding you back. Okay, there is something which is, though you have that urge to push ahead, you have that urge to move forward, there is something which is still holding you back from the right path. Okay, from the path where you have the insight that okay, you know this is the right path for me. But with the devil being there, there is a temptation, there is some fear. It can be fear, it can be temptation, it can be anything which is holding you back from the path which actually lies ahead for you and which is actually perhaps right for you, Aries. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.